Hello, everyone. Today, I would like to inform and persuade you to donate to the Pancreatic Cancer Action Network, as they need help to find new medicine and a cure for pancreatic cancer. We need to join in the fight together to find a cure. Did you know, in theory, you could live without your pancreas? You probably wouldn't want to, though, as it is far complicated. This speech will help your understanding of the highest mortality rate of all major cancers being pancreatic cancer. Anyone and everyone could be diagnosed with it. We need the funds to advance the cure research process. I am qualified to share this information with you today as my grandfather passed away from this 3 years ago. He lost the fight just a little over a year after being diagnosed. First, I will be explaining what exactly pancreatic cancer is and how one might be diagnosed. Secondly, I will be talking about the research advances being made within this cancer and why you should donate your money. Thirdly, I'll be telling you how you can make that donation. We need to join in the fight together to find a cure. Pancreatic cancer is a cancer that begins when abnormal cells in the pancreas grow and divide out to form one big tumor. This is via the pancan.org website. There are many different types of pancreatic cancer. For example, there is exocrine and neuroendocrine. The exocrine form is the most common among patients as it represents 93% of all cases. The technical term for this is adenocarcinoma. This is when it starts in the cells lining the pancreatic duct, which make our enzymes for digestion. The second type, neuroendocrine, make up 7% of all pancreatic tumors. This is also referred to as islet cell tumors, which are slower growing. This is cited from the pancan.org website under the Types of Pancreatic Cancer tab. As there are many types, there are also many ways one could develop this cancer. So, what exactly causes this cancer? The biggest factor is changes in your DNA that cause cancer. This could either be due to inheritance or even changes due to exposure to harmfulness. When inherited, there are two forms one could develop, familial or hereditary. These both represent 5 to 10% of all cases. There are increased risks as well that play a part in this cancer, such as 2 or more first-degree relatives have had it, race, obesity, diabetes, and even pancreatitis. Personally, for my grandfather, we believe it is due to race, as the most popular race that developed this cancer is Ashkenazi Jewish men. There are tons of reasons as to why one could develop such a deadly cancer, but new research is finding ways to help slow the process every day. Research advances are growing from the normal, surgery, chemotherapy, and combinations of these depending on one's stage of the cancer. In early stage pancreatic cancer treatments, new chemotherapy drug combinations are known to extend lives of pancreatic cancer patients. With this drug, they are still trying to fund research to find if they are actually better at killing cancer cells than the standard treatments. Neoadjuvant chemotherapy is given before surgery and is a form of chemotherapy. This is in hopes to shrink the tumor before they actually remove it. Later, in advanced pancreatic cancer treatments, they found that stroma-modifying drugs help break down the stroma greatly. Stroma is the dense tissue around a tumor. This could reach more cancer cells. This is cited from the National Cancer Institute. Another treatment, platinum chemotherapy, is for patients who have genes that prevent cells from repairing DNA damage. All of this information on treatment is credited to the pancreatic.org website, as well as the American Cancer Society. With all this research and ideas, it comes with a hefty price. It is in fact our duty to fund this price because we need and we want a cure. So, how could you donate? Specifically for me, I donate in honor of my grandfather, like I said, who had this cancer for a little over a year. And like I also said previously, The Ashkenazi Jewish genes are very strong, and therefore my dad and both of my brothers have to now undergo genetic testing to rule out if they have it or not. Now, to donate, you can pay tribute online on the Pancreatic Cancer Action Network website at www.pancan.org. You should donate because it not only funds for the network as a whole, but you can fund specific to your area or state. You should be drawn to donate because this could happen to your own family members, people you know in the community, whoever. Bottom line is, there is not yet a cure. Therefore, these loved ones will not survive this. Donate for them. This is via the Memorial and Tribute Donations tab on the pancan.org website. Overall, I have gone over what exactly pancreatic cancer is and how one could be diagnosed. I told you about the newest medical research, which could possibly help the cancer. And I also informed you on how to make a donation and why you should make a donation. We need to join in the fight together to find a cure. Even though you could live without a pancreas, that does not make it easy enough to just remove it if diagnosed with this cancer. For these reasons, I now want everyone to donate at least $1 to this organization, because together we can make a difference. In honor of my grandfather, I will match every $1 that you all donate. You should donate because you should want a cure for the highest mortality cancer known as pancreatic cancer. Thank you for listening.